come in, take a seat. Welcome to the channel, everyone. We are here in beautiful Kos. We're gonna have a quick video of obviously motivational and see what we can achieve. We're gonna go a little bit with this lovely car that we got today, and we're gonna show you a little bit around this area of Kos. It's one of the beautiful islands in Greece. So what I wanted to talk today is about what you guys can achieve, what we can achieve with this opportunity that Amazon is giving us in order to create our own business and to be successful. Let me see. There you go, let's go. So as I was saying, what's the opportunity that we get with Amazon, creating our own business, trying to achieve working from anywhere, working from home, working on the go. So if you're thinking to doing it, if you have thought about doing it, just make the step and do it. It's a fantastic opportunity that you guys have. You can follow all my videos. It's a bit windy, we can see the sea. Here we have the sunshine, and you know, my business, we work on the go, we work everywhere, and it's possible to do it. So guys, please think about doing this business, making the step, don't think it twice, just go ahead. What can you lose? Not much. We know what we're doing, and we're going to success. We're going to launch products and kick ass. See you in the next one. Hello everyone, welcome back. So we have arrived in this little journey that we started, and now we are in this beautiful place called Paradisi Beach. It's one of the best beaches here in this island of Kos. Lovely place, and we're gonna have a little bit of swim. And well, so anyway, let's continue talking a bit about Amazon. And can you do this while you're traveling? Can you do this while you're exploring, when you're traveling the world, when you're trying to see new things, new adventures, new experience? The answer is yes. Obviously you have to set it up, the business first. You have to have your warehouses, you need to have your stock in place, and then you start traveling. It's possible to manage your business while you're traveling. The answer is yes. So once again, guys, if you start thinking, oh, this Amazon is for me, it's no, you gotta try it, because when you try is when you will know. So saying no more, just do it. Give us a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's enjoy.